And then finally, noun phrase as subjects. Again, asking yourself the questions who or what were happy about the win. A few of them were happy about the win. Who or what got caught leaving the store? Some of them got caught leaving the store. Who is excited about the game? Well, all of us are excited about the game. So if you can take those and ask yourself the who or the what, it should help you. Then you have the understood use, and these are always orders, and they're directions. And so if you have orders or directions, automatically is just you is your subject, or understood you. One other trick that you can use is if you can replace the words in the infinitive phrase or the gerund phrase with the word it, then you know exactly which words go in your subject. For example, next we have the gerund phrases. The gerund phrases as subjects. And gerunds always end in an ing. And you still have to ask yourself who or what is going to be doing the action here. Watching his impossibly high leaps was an unforgettable experience. What was unforgettable? Watching his impossibly high leaps was unforgettable, and technically that was should be your verb. Driving in a crowded city was a new experience for Nicholas. What was a new experience? Driving in a crowded city was a new experience. Humming a tune is his way of distracting the opponent. What is his way of distracting? Is his way of distracting? It would be humming a tune. It was an unforgettable experience. So everything that I replaced with the word it was an unforgettable experience. And that tells me exactly what the gerund phrase would be for the subject. So it's called the it replacement test. It was a new experience. So I took out driving in a crowded city and replaced it with the word it. And now I know how many words to underline, how many words are the subject. Same with humming a tune. You could just say, it is his way of distracting the opponent, and that would be sufficient. So if I can take out humming a tune, then all three of those words would be part of the gerund phrase as a subject. Alright guys, so let's review and do a little practice, and then you guys will complete the worksheet below. So an infinitive phrase is always going to start with a to. It's always, if that is the subject, it will start with a to. To be a doctor, to win the presidency, to move to a larger house. But in order to find a subject, the first thing you have to ask yourself is who or what. The who or the what. Who or what is Anne's ambition? So we're looking at who or what is Anne's ambition. That's what we're trying to figure out. And so I would say to be a doctor is Anne's ambition. So then we look at the next sentence and we have who or what is Senator Brown's ambition. What is his ambition? To win the presidency is his ambition. Would be unwise for us now. So who or what would be unwise for us now? To move to a larger house would be unwise for us now. So it's all of that. So not to be confused with prepositional phrases. But in this case, if it answers the question who or what, and it does begin with a to, then this is an infinitive phrase, and it is the subject. The it replacement test works here. To be a doctor is Anne's ambition. So what exactly is her ambition? It is Anne's ambition. So whatever words would be deleted, I could put the word it and know exactly how many words to underline or circle. To win the presidency is. So it is Senator Brown's ambition. And the same goes for the final one. It would be unwise for us now. Well, what is it? to move to a larger house. And then anything that is replaced with the word it would become your infinitive phrase and your subject. So that tells you how many words exactly are in the subject.